Select the entities to be accounted for in the BOQ with select command. You'll find the select command enabled if you have defined tags in the model. Choose the tag that you need. Immediately see the entities that respond to the selected feature in the model. Open your #BIM price list to account for the selected entities. Filter through the price list. Thanks to #BIM items that respond to the characteristics of the selected entities. Activate further features, and deselect the entities of the model that do not satisfy them. This allows you to select only those entities that satisfy all set conditions simultaneously. And in the #BIM price list, the specific items for the BOQ, or quantity takeoff,